Good morning students. In this video I am going to explain question answer that is solution exercise E chapter 14 reproduction in animals. In this video you will get the other videos link also. Chapter 14 reproduction in animals, section A 2 marks, that means each question carry 1 mark, 2 questions 2 marks, and section 5 will get 5 marks 2 questions. There will be a choice, you have to write only one answer. Question E1, define the term metamorphosis, list the changes that a tadpole undergoes to develop into a frog. Answer E1, a marked and more or less abrupt development change in the structure and habits of an animal occurring during its life cycle is termed as metamorphosis. Example, butterfly and frog. In frog, the changes are regulated by the hormone thyroxine from thyroid gland. A tadpole has a tail for swimming, gills for breathing, and small circular mouth and long small intestine, being herbivorous in feeding habits as compared to a frog which has forelimbs and hind limbs, lack gills, reduced small intestine, being insectivorous in feeding habit. All the changes in the structure and feeding habits occur during the course of metamorphosis. Question E2. Trace the sequence of events that lead to development of a chick from the fertilized egg of a hen. Answer E2. Hen's fertilization is an example of internal fertilization and external development. Answer E2. Hen's fertilization is an example of internal fertilization and external development. After fertilization, the zygote starts dividing and moves down the ovida. As it moves down, a number of protective layers get formed around it. The egg shell is one of the protective layers. It develops inside the egg for around 21 days. These days are called incubation period, after which the chick gets fully developed. During the incubation period, the eggs require a specific temperature. This is provided by the hen by sitting on the eggs. Sometimes this is done artificially by keeping the eggs in an incubator. Finally, the egg shell breaks down and the chick comes out. Question E3. Where does fertilization occur in human beings? How does the zygote form eventually develop into an infant? Answer E3. In human beings, fertilization takes place in the initial part of the ovida. During fertilization, the nuclei of the sperm and the egg fuse to form a single nucleus. This results in the formation of a fertilized egg or zygote. The zygote is the beginning of a new individual. The zygote divides repeatedly to give rise to a ball of cells. The cells then begin to form groups that develop into different tissues and organs of the body. The developing structure is termed as embryo. The embryo continues to develop and forms fetus, which gives birth to the young one after development. Question E4. Draw a neat, well-labeled diagram of human sperm. Also write how its shape and size help in its functioning. This is the diagram of human sperm. This is the head part and middle part and tail. The head contains nucleus, the hydrolytic enzymes granules, which helps in its penetration into the ovum. The middle phase is rich in mitochondria to provide the energy required for the swimming action. E6. Write the functions of each of the human female reproductive system. Answer E6. A. Ovaries. Pair of ovaries is main reproductive organ where the development of womb takes place. Ovaries are also responsible for the synthesis and secretion of female sex hormone that regulates the different changes into a female undergoes during the adolescence and later on in her life. Answer E6B. Oviduct. It is the tubular part of the female reproductive system that interconnects the ovaries, womb, uterus. It also acts as the site of the fertilization in female. Answer E6C. Uterus. It is a pear-shaped muscular cavity where the development of the embryo and fetus takes place after the fertilization.